to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today's recipe is a cheesy zucchini gratin. Alright, a very simple recipe to do, very healthy, very easy, apart from all the cheese and all the cholesterol. First we need a nice big bowl. I'm using my mandolin. I've got about 400 grams of washed, cleaned and peeled potatoes, and we're just simply going to put that through on a setting that's around about 2 millimeters thick. Right, so just put those through. Now I've got a brown onion, just a medium size. I'm going to put that through the mandolin as well. Now I should be using the protective guard with this and not my bare fingers, but I didn't get cut. We've got 4 nice size zucchinis. Again, we're just going to put that through our mandolin, nice and finely cut, those 2 millimeter thick slices. Give all of that a little bit of a stir around. Get them all to know each other quite well. There's a couple of ways you can do this. You can mix it now or have everything separate and put them in different layers. A little bit of salt, around about maybe half a teaspoon's worth. Just sprinkle that over the top. Some freshly ground black pepper, of course. Freshly ground is always best. And I'm going to put in a pinch of ground nutmeg. You can use fresh if you want. Not always available. I'm going to give that around about a 2 teaspoons worth of garlic powder and around about the same again of some onion powder. Give that one more good little stir around like that. And this meal is quite simple to do. It'll take you around about an hour to cook off, but it's beautiful in winter. It's a nice warm little side dish. Simply we just put this mixture down in a nice thin layer straight across the bottom of a baking dish. Use the baking dish of your choice, and I'm going to put a little sprinkle of some Gruyere cheese. I'm going to use around about 180 grams of Gruyere cheese, which I've just grated by hand. No need to show you that. If you don't know how to grate cheese, probably shouldn't be in the kitchen. I'm just going to add in another layer of this beautiful zucchini, potato and onion mix. That goes straight over just like that. And we've already seasoned all of this, and there's enough salt in that cheese to carry through, so keep that in mind as you're making this. So another layer of that vegetable, another sprinkle of the cheese. Now I'm just going to put another layer of our vegetable, and what we're basically doing is we're layering this up like a lasagna type deal. Okay, a little bit more cheese over the top, and I think that was just about all of the vegetable left. So a nice big heavy dose of cheese straight over the top like that. Now oven is sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to use in around about a cup's worth of cream. I'm just using a normal thickened cream that you buy from your local supermarket. You could use half and half if you're in the US. Give it a bit of a shake like that and try and get some of that cream sitting in all those little air pockets. Oven 180 degrees. That's going to go in around about 1 hour, and before you know it, there you go, you've got KP's beautiful cheesy zucchini gratin. How easy was that? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media, trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something really easy, simple like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button, you'll never miss another video again.